AI, artificial intelligence. What is the power of AI? I will show you here. Look guys, I'm not a rapper, I'm not a musician, I'm not a lyricist, but yet I can make the rap within a 5 minutes. So here we will go to the website and we will show how an AI can work. So guys, so this is the CoPilot. You can see these are the lyrics. So I will just copy it down. Now I will paste it in a Uber.ai. First we will select the beat. Okay, now we have selected the beat. Now we will go to the lyrics. So these are the lyrics. Now we will go to the voice section. We will select the voice. So let's select the Quackmaster. You can even see the sample of that voice. So I think that's good for me. I will select that. So now I will click on a generate rap. So guys, I think my rap is ready. So we will look over it.
Yo, check it, I'm an AI digital mind, spitting binary rhymes in double time. I calculate, innovate, never late, process data and race the human.
Stay on my shit so ain't nobody can stop me. I be riding these beats like a Kawasaki. Niggas taking notes cause they wanna try and copy. I be teaching new kid down the old, blowing money at the mirror. I do it all for the payment. I do it all for the payment. Yeah, I go harder than the pavement. I do it all for the payment. I do it all for the payment. I do it all for the payment. Yeah, I go harder than the pavement. I do it all for the payment.
And yes, it's working. What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Southwood. As we promised before, we will show you some interesting topics, and yes, today we're gonna see about the
About artificial intelligence. It's the dawn of the AI age. Every day new models are being launched, and that has led to a scramble.
Artificial intelligence is actually taking away your job.
But would you ever think of artificial intelligence?
He created a lyrics for me. I go to the website of the AI. From there, I selected a beats, then I selected the voice, and I just entered the lyrics. And after that, this AI created the rap for me. This is the power of AI. In coming few days, AI is gonna enter into everyone's life. Nowadays, even we are familiar with the AI. Don't worry, I will simplify you all the things. How should we live with the AI? How should we use AI tools? If you need some any AI tools such like this, then please ping me down in the comment. So today we will look what is the AI, what is the history of the AI, how AI enrolled into our lives, how it is useful for the humans, how it is useful in our daily life, who is leading the AI industry, who is in a race with the AI, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the AI. So let's start. So what is the AI? So AI, it is basically an ability of a computer or a robot which functions like a human. For example guys, while solving any issues, we require some intelligence such as learning, reasoning, problem solving and using a long language. AI can help us doing the things faster, better and cheaper, but it can also pose some challenges and risks. Okay, now how AI enrolled into our life? Everyone might have been using the Netflix, Prime Video and whatever. Whenever we are searching some movies on a Netflix, then sometimes we get confused which movies should we watch. So in that case, Netflix AI will help. What the Netflix will do? Where Netflix will search your database like what we have searched in the past history. So what kind of movies you like, action, romantic, and in that case, similar movies will be shown to you. So this is the AI that learns from the data of the millions of users and tries to find the patterns and similarities. It then uses the information to suggest movies that you might like. This way, you can discover the new movies that can suit your taste and mood. This is just one of the many applications of AI in our daily lives. AI can also help us with the tasks like translating languages. Nowadays, most of the people use the Google Translator, diagnosing diseases, driving cars, playing games, and much more. Driving cars, now we can see the cars like a Tesla, they have an autopilot mode. So what do you think, guys? Does AI is leading this world? Yes, AI also has some limitations and challenges such as ethical, social and environmental issues. So you guys must have watched a Terminator series, an Hollywood movie in which the Terminator movie series is a science fiction franchise that revolves around the conflict between the humanity and the Skynet, which is a rogue artificial intelligence that tries to exterminate the human race. The series features various models of Terminators, cyborg assassins that can travel through the time and disguise themselves as a human. For example, how do we ensure that AI is fair, transparent, and accountable? How do we protect our privacy and security from the AI? How do we balance the benefits and the cost of AI for society and the planet? They are some of the questions that we need to think about as we use and develop the AI. For a while, we will keep these questions aside and we will look how this AI is being developed and who is the man behind which these organizations are running. Now guys, let's see what is the history of the AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is a broad and interdisciplinary field that has a long history and many contributors. However, one person who is often credited as the founder of AI is John McCarthy, an American computer scientist and a professor. He coined the term artificial intelligence in 1955 and organized the first AI conference at Dartmouth College in 1956. He also developed the programming language Lisp, which became widely used for AI applications. Another influential figure in the early development of AI was Alan Turing, a British mathematician and logician. He proposed the Turing test, a criterion for machine intelligence. And even he designed the Turing machine, a theoretical model of computation. He also worked on the cryptography and the code breaking during the World War II. Turing is widely regarded as the godfather of computer science and artificial intelligence. John McCarthy, he contributed to many aspects of AI research and development. He invented the concepts such as time sharing, garbage collection, circumscriptions, and situation calculus. He also worked on the topics such as logic programming, knowledge representation, common sense reasoning, and human-computer interaction. A Turing machine is like a very simple computer that can do any calculation. It has a long paper with the symbols on it, a pen that can write or erase the symbols, and a list of rules that tell it what to do. Now let's see how the Turing machine works. The paper is the memory, the pen is the processor, and the rules are the program. The Turing machine follows the rules and changes the symbols on the paper to get the answer. For example, a Turing machine can add two numbers by writing them on the paper and following some rules to get the sum. But a Turing machine is not a real machine because it has some problem. The paper is endless, which means it can never fill up. Now guys, let's see how the evolution of AI is happening. AI is making the machines that can think like the human. For example, we can see a cars of the Tesla. Now, AI started in the 1950s with some ideas and tests, and AI had did some amazing things in 1960s, but also had some problems. AI has become less popular in the 1970s and focused on smaller things like expert systems. So that was the history about the AI and the evolution of AI. Now let's see how to live with the AI. Living with the AI is a challenge and an opportunity for humanity. AI can help us solving many problems, but it can also create new ones. We should learn to live with the AI by understanding its capabilities and limitations, by using it ethically and responsibly, and by developing our own skills and values that complement AI. Here are some suggestions. We should learn about the AI, how it works, what it can and cannot do, and how it affects our lives. We should also learn how to use AI tools effectively and safely, and how to evaluate the information and the results they provide. We should use AI ethically and responsibly by respecting human rights and dignity, by ensuring the fairness and accountability, and by avoiding the harm and misuse. We should also participate in the governance and the regulation of AI and demand transparency and explainability from AI systems and developers. We should develop our own skills and values that complement AI by enhancing our creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and collaboration. We should also cultivate our curiosity, resilience, and adaptability and embrace lifelong learning and innovation. Now let's see guys who is leading the AI industry. Most trendy is OpenAI. OpenAI is a research organization that aims to ensure that artificial intelligence is aligned with human values and can be used for good. The organization was founded in 2015 by a group of prominent tech entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk, Peter Thiel, and Sam Altman. OpenAI is known for its groundbreaking work on a large scale. They have also used the language models such as the ChatGPT-3 and its vision of creating an artificial general intelligence. Second is the Google Cloud. Google is a leader in AI and data analytics and has acquired a number of AI startups in the last several years. Google Cloud sells several AI and machine learning services to businesses and has an industry-leading software project in TensorFlow, as well as its own Tensor AI chip projects. Tensor chip nowadays we can see in the Google phones, which is doing a lot creativity work in the mobile phones. And there are still leaders of the AI, such as IBM, Amazon, IBM Cloud, Salesforce, SenseTime, H2O.ai, and DeepMind. AI has many advantages and disadvantages depending on how it is used and for what purpose it is used. Here are some of the main advantages and disadvantages of the AI. Advantages of AI. AI can reduce the human error and increase accuracy and precision in various tasks such as data analysis, medical diagnosis, and space exploration. AI can automate repetitive and tedious tasks such as customer service, fraud detection, and inventory management. AI can enhance human capabilities and augment human intelligence, such as by providing personalized learning, smart assistants, and decision support systems. AI can create new inventions and innovations. Now, what are the disadvantages of AI? AI can displace human workers and cause unemployment, especially in low-skill and routine jobs. AI can raise ethical concerns about bias, privacy, and accountability, such as discriminating against certain groups and invading personal data and causing harm or damage. AI can pose a security risk from hacking, misuse, or malfunction, such as by stealing sensitive information, manipulating behavior, or causing an accident. AI can lack human-like creativity and empathy, such as by failing to understand context, emotions, and values, or by producing dull and generic outputs. AI is a powerful and complex technology that can have both positive and negative impacts on our society. And thus, it's our responsibility to use AI as per its balancing of benefits and the risk. That's it guys for today. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video.